Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image to full width using Elementor in WordPress. This is particularly useful when you want your images to span the entire width of your page, creating a more immersive and professional look for your website visitors. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and features necessary to modify your pages. This is your starting point for making any changes to your site's design and content. Next, navigate to Pages and select All Pages. This will show you a complete list of all the pages currently on your website. Look for the specific page you want to edit, and once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Page Builder, which is where all the magic happens for visual editing. Now that you're inside Elementor, you'll need to identify the section containing your image. Click the section handle, which appears as a dotted outline or a 6-dot icon at the top of the section. Clicking this will select the entire section, and you'll notice that the left panel updates to show all the settings available for that particular section. In the left panel, navigate to the Layout tab. Here you'll see various options for controlling how your section is displayed. Look for the setting labeled Content Width. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Full Width. This is the key step that allows your image to stretch across the entire width of the page. You can also adjust the width based on your preferences if you want something slightly different from the default full width setting. This gives you flexibility to fine-tune the appearance until it matches your vision perfectly. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, head to the upper right corner of the page. Right beside the Publish button, you'll see Save Options. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Save Draft. This ensures that all your changes are saved without immediately publishing them live. It's always a good idea to save your work as you go, especially when making significant layout changes. And there you have it. You've successfully stretched your image to full width using Elementor in WordPress, giving your page a more polished and expansive look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.